We've gotten a phone call from our local RV dealer. They have the new Grand Design 3740 Bunkhouse, brand new floor plan that we really like and we really want to see. They just got one in and we're hurrying down there to see it, as there are multiple people interested in it, and we need to make sure we go see it, see if it's what we want. We brought our boys with us because obviously our boys are going to be with us, so we'll see exactly how it's going to work. Enjoy the RV tour. What do you think?
This is it. I love it. What do you think?
Full-size couch. You can put tables in right here. Kitchen island. Coffee bar. Pantry. Big pantry. This is a residential fridge. 18 cubic feet. Big deal for a family of 5. Big deal. This is a door to the bunk room. Immediately on your right, you have a bunk up top. You have a couch that pulls out into a bed, and this is a slide, so you do have floor space. There's a bunk. And then above, there is another bunk. Goes all the way across with a rail. There's all kinds of storage here. And drawers underneath. Plenty of storage for our boys. This bunk actually lifts, which is nice because then you can use this as a couch. That'll be your bunk down there, Jackson. I think this will work out great. So we've got a half bath here with an exterior door. This will be great for when we're at the beach or when we get really muddy. I like it, Kelly. Up the stairs into the first bathroom. The big deal is whether I fit in the shower. I'm 6'2", so it's hard for me to fit in a lot of showers. We'll see. This will work. I fit in the shower. It's a king-size bed in the master. The bed lifts up for huge storage.
Yeah, how's that? Watch fingers. Fingers.
Is it light?
Dresser.
Black, so when we're running, that's good.
That is nice, so we can lock it. Washer dryer hookups. Big closet.
Go back down to the room. I really like it.
That is one thing that we'll be changing right away. We'll put some kind of a lock on this door. We love the big open windows.
There's your tables.
Joshua, what do you think? Can you live in this?
Yep.
Jackson, what do you think? You think we can live in one of these?
Yeah.
Through the outside.
Are we going down?
Now look at the outside. Outside outlet. So this is a pass-through. It's quite large.
And Daddy, open up this one.
Hold on, buddy. There's your battery disconnect. So here's your solar input. And multiple batteries. This would be really easy to set up our whole solar in here. It's propane again. This is where all your controls are for your gray, your black water, your fresh water. All of that's here. There's your pass-through, it's huge. It's another solar? Oh no, that's your 50 amp coming in. Well, what do you think?
I love it. It's awesome.
It's got the hitch on the back, which is nice. Solution for our bikes. That's a big deal. It's got the backup camera already built in. And this is your outdoor kitchen. You got your sink, you got your fridge, outlets, cabinet, just a little drawer. And this is your grill. Got the solid steps. A lot of people like it. We'll probably have to put some kind of carpet or something on them for when they freeze, because we plan on being in Alaska and other cold areas. All right, well, I like it.
Out of all the ones we've looked at, I like this one most.
Okay.